when I close my eyes, I see. She was a lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film a tutorial. This is an older palette by Juvia's Place. It's called the Nudes, but it's a new palette for me and I'm going to be wearing this look, so why not film it? So that is what I'm going to do. So if you are interested in seeing this look, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, check me out. And to my returning subscribers, hey girl, thank you for tuning in. So yeah, let's jump right in. As you can see, I do have my Eyebase with the P. Louise. I have it in Rumor 0.5. And the shade I'm going to go in with first is, of course, probably going to be this shade. This is a matte shimmer, and I think this shade right here is a duochrome. So of course I'm going to do a look. So like I'm saying, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to add it right here in this eye area. Alright, so I'm not even sure if this is even worth filming because the shade, the darkest shade that I added, which was this shade, damn near matches my skin tone. So I don't even know how this is going to turn out, but I guess we'll find out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this shade and this shade. So I'm going to do my face off camera. My Wi-Fi is acting up. So my old phone that I use on my Wi-Fi, I normally do my makeup, my face on camera and watch other people's blogs, but I can't do that because the Wi-Fi is acting up. So I'll be right back. All right, so my face is done. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm going in with the NYX dark brown. So I also did my under eye with a black eyeliner, and next I'm going back in with this shade just to, I don't know, add some color underneath my eyes. You probably ain't gonna be able to see it, but I can at least smoke out the black. Hey y'all, so I am back with the final look. If you see glitter on me, it is from this dress that I've tried to match to this eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm not going anywhere, but I want my thumbnail to be popping and all of that, so that's why. So this is how the look turned out. Popping. So that is what I got to say to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I see you guys in my next video.